Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about off subtractor, full subtractor. Generally, subtractors is an example of combinational circuit which perform subtraction of numbers. First, we will discuss about off subtractor. What is off subtractor? Off subtractor is a combinational digital circuit which perform the subtraction of two input binary digits called minuend and subtrahend, and it produces the two different outputs as difference and borrow. For example, if we make subtraction between 1 and 0, 1 is minuend, 0 is subtrahend. Minuend is nothing but the number from which another number is to be subtracted, whereas subtrahend is nothing but the number is to be subtracted. So if we make the subtraction between 1 and 0, the output called difference, that is 1. On the other way, if we make the subtraction between 0 and 1, now minuend is 0 and subtrahend is 1. Whenever minuend is less than subtrahend, we need to borrow from the higher order bit to make the difference. So from this, we may confirm the number of input variables for designing this off subtractor are considered as A and B. Output variables are difference and borrow. So with this, we may express in truth table of column A and B for input variables, difference and borrow for output variables. Though it is a 2-input device, so it will have 2 power 2 number of input combinations are there. Likely 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Accordingly, we should identify the difference and borrow values. So let us start analyzing this truth table. For input 0, 0, both minuend and subtrahend are equal, hence the difference and borrow becomes 0. For input 0, 1, here minuend is less than subtrahend, so it needs to borrow to make the difference. Hence, both difference and borrow becomes 1. For input 1, 0, minuend itself is a greater 1, so no need to borrow, difference becomes 1. For input 1, 1, both minuend and subtrahend are same, the difference and borrow becomes 0. So with this, we may observe the column difference. It will enable only when inputs are 1 and 2, which is similar to off adder. So by transforming this difference values into K-map, that is 1 and 2, and grouping individually, we have an expression for difference is A prime B plus AB prime. Similarly, borrow will enable only when input is 1. By transforming this borrow into K-map, by grouping individually this one, we have an expression for borrow, it is A prime B. So to convert this logical expression into a logic diagram, by seeing the expression of difference itself, it is operation of XOR. So simply we need one XOR gate from the input variable A and B to have a difference output. While in the case of borrow, it is A prime B, so we need to implement one inverter on A line. That means the AND gate having inputs of A prime and B to get borrow output. Similar to logic diagram, the block of off subtractor has been constructed with input variables A and B and output variables difference and borrow. This is what off subtractor. But this off subtractor has a drawback. We will discuss with a simple example. The first example represents a normal subtraction operation we use frequently. So from the least bit, that is the subtraction of 0 and 1, minuend is lesser, so we borrow from the first higher order bit to make the difference. And now the first higher order minuend becomes lesser than its subtrahend, so again it needs to borrow from the second higher order bit. So whenever minuend becomes lesser than its subtrahend, it borrows from the next higher order bit subsequently. This is normal subtraction operation. While examining the second example, it is due to off subtractor. Initially, my least bit is the subtraction between 0 and 1. Minuend is less than the subtrahend, so it needs a borrow from the first higher order bit to make the difference. Now, first higher order bit minuend becomes less than its subtrahend. Actually, it wants to borrow from the second higher order bit, but due to this off subtractor, by definition itself, off subtractor works for two input binary digits. It does not have a provision for borrowing multiple datas. Off subtractor does not have a provision for borrowing multiple datas. So to overcome this drawback, we introduce another subtractor circuit called full subtractor. This full subtractor circuit has a capability to work with three different inputs like A, B and borrowing. Borrowing is represented here as C, and similar to off subtractor, the output variables of full subtractor are difference and borrow. So with this we express in truth table of column A, B and C for input variables, difference and borrow for output variables. Though it is a 3 input device, so totally it will have 2 power 3 number of input combinations are there, are from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Accordingly, we should identify the difference and borrow values. So let's start analyzing this truth table. For finding difference and borrow values, we have a condition. In order to find the difference, odd number of ones should be present in input values. For finding borrow, minuend becomes less than the sum of subtrahends. That means A should be less than the sum of B and C. So with this special case, we analyze the truth table for finding difference and borrow. For input 0, 0, 0, there is no odd number of ones present, hence difference is 0. And it does not satisfy the condition A is less than the sum of B and C, hence borrow is also 0. For input 0, 0, 1, yes, odd number of ones present here, hence difference is 1. And it satisfies the condition for borrow, that is A is less than the sum of B and C, hence borrow is also 1. For input 0, 1, 0, again odd number of ones present and it also satisfies the condition for borrow, A is less than the sum of B and C, so both difference and borrow becomes 1. For input 1, 0, 1, 1, even number of ones present here, so difference becomes 0, but it satisfies the condition A is less than the sum of B and C, hence borrow is 1. For input 1, 0, 0, odd number of ones present, hence difference becomes 1, but it does not satisfy A is less than the sum of B and C, hence borrow becomes 0. For input 1, 0, 1, even number of ones present, hence difference is 0, and also it does not satisfy the condition A is less than the sum of B and C, so borrow is also 0. For input 1, 1, 0, again even number of ones present, difference is 0, and it does not satisfy the condition A is less than the sum of B and C, so borrow is also 0. For input 1, 1, 1, odd number of ones present, hence difference is 1, and it also satisfies the condition A is less than the sum of B and C, hence borrow is also 1. So with this we observe the column difference. It will enable only when inputs are 1, 2, 4 and 7. By transforming this difference output values into K-map and grouping individually 1, 2, 4 and 7, it is similar to full adder. The difference output for full subtractor is similar to full adder, that is A XOR B XOR C. Similarly, for borrow, it will enable only when inputs are 1, 2, 3 and 7. So by transforming this borrow value into K-map and grouping 1 and 3, 3 and 2, 3 and 7, we have an expression for borrow is A prime B plus A prime C plus BC. So with this, we may convert this Boolean expression into the logic diagram. By seeing the expression of a difference, it is a 3-input XOR gate. So using one XOR gate of having input variable A, B, C to obtain the difference expression. And for borrow, it needs 3 AND gate. The first AND gate have inputs of A prime C. The second AND gate have inputs of A prime B, and third gate have inputs of B and C. So finally we should add the outputs of 3 AND gates to get borrow expression, that is A prime B plus A prime C plus BC. Similar to logic diagram, we may draw the block diagram for this full subtractor circuit of having input variable A, B and C and output variable difference and borrow. This is what full subtractor. Generally, these subtractor circuits are used in many computers and other processes as arithmetic and logic units. And it is also used to reduce the force of audio signals. These subtractor circuits may use to calculate the address locations in memory devices, and it is also used in amplifiers while providing feedbacks. These are the references that I have used for preparing this video lecture. Thank you for watching.